Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we have something special for you. The best Doterra Diffuser blend on the market. The Doterra Clary Calm Essential Oil Blend for Women. This incredible product is a game changer when it comes to managing various aspects of your well-being, and we're here to tell you all about it. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest product reviews and recommendations. Now, let's talk about the Doterra Clary Calm Essential Oil Blend for Women. This 10 ml blend comes in a convenient roll-on bottle, making it incredibly easy to use anytime, anywhere. But what sets it apart? Well, let me tell you. First and foremost, this product is designed specifically for women, and it's not just your average essential oil. It's a proprietary blend of oils chosen to address various needs that women often experience. Now, let's talk about the benefits of this incredible blend. Provides soothing and calming effects during your menstrual cycle. Its calming aroma helps balance and soothe heightened emotions. It aids in balancing mood throughout the month, helping you feel your best no matter the time. Another satisfied customer shared that this blend is a must-have for women. It helps alleviate cramps and emotional fluctuations during the monthly cycle, making it a true game changer. So, how do you use the Doterra Clary Calm Essential Oil Blend for Women? It's simple. Just roll it onto your lower abdomen to alleviate cramps during your menstrual cycle. And for emotional balance, apply it to your pulse points throughout the month. Now, let's talk about the price. A 10 ml bottle of this incredible blend can be yours for insert price. And guess what? You can also get it in a 2-pack, ensuring you always have it on hand. You can find the product link in the description below to make it easy for you to get your hands on this Doterra Clary Calm Essential Oil Blend. In conclusion, the Doterra Clary Calm Essential Oil Blend for Women is a must-have for all the amazing women out there. Whether you're looking to manage your menstrual cycle better or maintain emotional balance throughout the month, this product has got you covered. Thank you for joining us today on Product Critique. If you've tried this product or have any questions, please let us know in the comments below. And as always, stay tuned for more fantastic product reviews. Until next time, take care.